Sensory balloons are great ideas for sensory play. We have flour, we have beans, lentils, and I have rice in here, and some balloons. I have empty bottle. Now you pour the rice inside the empty bottle. I blow up the balloon. I stick it up on the bottle, upside down, and pour all the rice inside. And here we are, the first sensory balloon. Now pour the beans inside the empty bottle. Blow up the balloon and stick it up on the bottle, upside down, pour it all inside the balloon. Shake, 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 shake. Shake it to have it all inside. And this is the second sensory balloon. Pour the lentils the same way. You can use the sticks. And the last one is the flour. Pour it the same way. Use the spoon to help you. Shake and shake. Blow up the balloon, stick it up the same way, upside down, pour all the flour inside. She keeps pressing on the balloons, enjoying her time so much.